This is the pound Aussie on the 5 minute. This is a very nice looking flag pattern we've got with a lower close entry that we've just got here on the 5 minute. We do have a bit more confluence. Before I do that, I'm just going to go and show you the higher time frame analysis, because this is where the higher time frame will show something completely different to the trading time frame, which is the 5 minute. Here on the dailies, there's really not a great deal here. If we go to the 240, as a result of the news today, Brexit, we had a very big bearish candle like this, and we have come down into the structure level. Now, the rule for the flag pattern is if we're at structure, we cannot play for an extension. So this is just a one in, one out for me. Here on the 60, this is where we're going to see high momentum move, followed by indecision, followed by a higher high, higher close candle. An indication here that we could be going higher, and as you can see, we have already come down to retest the lows. If we go to the 15, not too much. If we go to the 5, you'll be able to see this pattern. So we draw it out from the closes of the candles to the closes of the candles. We do the same this way, and we measure from our first touch to the top of the trend line. We move it to our third touch at the top of the trend line, and so we would be looking for entries anywhere in this zone, roughly something like this. And so we've had 1, 2, 3, and we've now come up here just for the fourth touch. Do we hit a minimum of a 38.2? Yes, we do. We actually hit a 50% there. And do we look left for structure, or can we look left for structure? And I'm going to put a structure level on just where we've had that lower close candle, and there really isn't a great deal other than just this right here. But what I then did was move to the 5 range. Now here in the 5 range, we've actually had a double top occur. So we've had a test right here, another test. We had the RSI confirmation. Now we could be pulling back for a 26.18 trade before breaking to the downside, but I didn't want to miss the move, so I've got involved with the trade now. Stops have gone an ATR above the highs, and if I then go back out to the 5 minute, looking for a retest of those candle closes minus a few pips. So the actual risk on this trade then is this much, and the reward is this much. $50 of risk, reward 101. We're back for the update. 98 pips up. We just tested the take profit line. Targets hit there on that beautiful trade for 100 pips. And we picked the exact turning point using the rules specified. What a beautiful trade.